Stress is a normal part of life. Everyone experiences it from time to time, but when stress becomes constant or overwhelming, it can take a serious toll on mental health. Stress triggers a response in the body. The brain releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These chemicals prepare the body to deal with danger, the fight or flight response. In short bursts, this can be helpful. It keeps us alert and ready to respond. But when the stress continues over a long time, it becomes harmful. Long-term stress can lead to mental health problems like anxiety, depression, and even burnout. People may feel constantly worried, restless, or irritable. Sleep problems are common. Some may lose interest in activities they once enjoyed. Others might struggle to concentrate or feel helpless and overwhelmed. Stress can also affect physical health. Headaches, muscle tension, digestive issues, and a weakened immune system are all linked to chronic stress. These physical symptoms can make mental health problems even worse. Everyone reacts to stress differently. Some people manage stress well, while others may find it harder to cope. Personal history, past trauma, lifestyle, and support systems all play a role in how someone handles stress. It's important to recognize the signs early. Common signs include feeling anxious, easily frustrated, having mood swings, or withdrawing from social life. Physical symptoms like fatigue or insomnia can also be warning signs. Managing stress is possible. Simple daily habits can make a big difference. Getting enough sleep, eating healthy food, and exercising regularly help reduce stress levels. Mindfulness, meditation, and breathing exercises calm the mind. Talking to someone, a friend, family member, or professional, can also provide support and relief. Taking breaks, saying no when necessary, and maintaining a balance between work and rest are also key. Reducing screen time and spending time in nature can have a calming effect. In some cases, professional help is needed. Therapists and counselors can help people understand their stress and teach ways to cope. Medication might also be an option in more serious cases, but it's usually combined with therapy and lifestyle changes. Understanding the link between stress and mental health is the first step toward better well-being. By recognizing the signs and taking action early, we can protect both our mind and body from the harmful effects of stress.